Hello there, my name is Nick Mudhombi and today I will be taking you through factors to consider before owning a website. So, what factors should you consider before contacting a web developer or web designer to set you up with a website? Factor number 1, domain names. What is a domain name? A domain name is a combination of letters or numbers, letters or hyphens, or just numbers separated by periods that are used as an address to your website. Think of it as the address to your website. For instance, our domain name is mudhombinik.com. This means every time you feed the phrase mudhombinik.com into your address bar, it takes you to our website mudhombinik.com. Domain names are broken into 3 levels. That's the top level, second level, and third level domains. Top level domains are further broken down into country code top level domains, generic top level domains, and internationalized country code top level domains. Country code top level domains connote a geographical area. For instance, country code top level domains for Kenya end with the extension .ke, and for South Africa, .za. So for instance, if you find a website like Jumia with the domain jumia.co.ke, that means it's a top level country code domain. Generic top level domains are the most commonly used and widely registered in the world, with extensions such as .org, .com, .info, .biz, and many more. Third level top level domains come immediately after the second level domains and have 2 extensions, for instance .co.ke or .co.za. Now that we understand what domain names are and the different types of domains, what should one consider before purchasing a domain? First and foremost, and most importantly, consider your business name. For instance, if your business name is Overmind Associates, you'll want to get a domain name that corresponds with the same. So you'll have a domain. If you're going to go with a generic top level domain, you could have overmind.com. Or if you want a country code top level domain, it will be overmind.ke. However, if you want to take an international, or if you want to take a third level top domain, it will be overmind.co.ke. Remember, your brand name really matters and should always appear in your domain name. Factor number 2, domain extension. This is normally used to kind of explain to your users or your website visitors what exactly your website is all about. The most commonly used domain extension is .com, as it applies in all fields. But if you want to be specific in your field, you could always break it down to the proper details, such as .biz if it's a business, .info if it's an informational website, or .org if it's an organizational website. Remember, if you want your website to correspond to your geographical location, you will go with an extension that corresponds to where you live, or rather where your business is located. That factor to consider before buying a domain is domain name length. You need to ensure your domains are as short as possible for easy memorizing. If you are being very honest, very few people will remember a domain name with more than 16 characters. If anything, the less characters, the better. We can all remember facebook.com, twitter.com, instagram.com. Keep your domain name very short and easy to memorize. The fourth consideration to make before buying a domain is the domain name privacy. Remember, domain name is privacy, the internet is a wild place, you always wanna stay safe always.